In this video, we will be adding some stone edging to our landscape design. To get started, click the Landscape tab and then click Stone Edging. Left-click to place points and right-click to place the last point. Click this material image and it will take you to a large selection of edging materials. Make your selection and then click OK. The width controls how wide the piece is from front to back. If you want to change the size proportionally, then keep the Scale Evenly option checked. If not, then uncheck it. The height measures from top to bottom, and the length is from left to right. Use this slider to add rows, or you can manually enter in the amount. The alignment property determines the elevation and orientation of the edging stones based on the underlying terrain. The Switch Sides property allows you to control which direction the edging stones face. To offset alternate rows, check this box. For edging where trimming is not desired, uncheck this option. Your total amount of edging pieces is calculated here. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out ideaspectrum.com for more videos and information about our software.